Welcome, today in front of me XIAOMI 11 Lite 5G NE, and I'll show you how to turn off a Google Assistant on this device. So first just go to the Google folder and here go to the Google application. Right now on the down right corner tap on the more icon and go to the settings. Now just tap here to the Google Assistant and scroll down with your finger to the general options. And here near the Google Assistant you get here the switcher. Tap on the switcher and confirm to turn on this function. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.